चलो अब यहाँ से जाने का समय, लेकिन जाते जाते कुछ आखिरी सवाल शीना चौहान मैम से। सुपर हिट्स 93.5 रेड एफएम।
Morning number I wanna play.
So, how much it is easy or difficult for you to get into the character, because आपने कभी देखा ही नहीं होगा. Sant Tukaram is a well-known person in, Maharashtra side, and उनकी लिखी हुई बातें, उनकी वाणियां आज भी लोग जो है दोहराते हैं अपने दिनचर्या में, और बहुत सी उनकी जो आइडियोलॉजी लोग उनको फॉलो करते हैं. So, playing his wife, जिनको देखा नहीं है, तो ये कितना इजी और डिफिकल्ट होगा आपके लिए टू इमेजिन और टू गेट इनटू दैट कैरेक्टर?
That is a very good question because it was a challenge. First of all, I really studied everything I could find about this character online because history gives you a lot, and Google is always there to help you. Secondly, I personally went to like the fields and I looked at how these women worked there. I went and I ate with them. I went and spoke to them because we were also shooting in those outskirts of Maharashtra. So for me it was easy because while we were shooting almost a month or so, I was getting to research and watch these women, and also did already research and studied everything I could online. So it was a mix of both. What I could do in terms of real life, and secondly what I could get in terms of the historical information online, which was the combination that helped me research this character and really, bring it to life.
All right. Last but not the least, what would you like to say to all the Red FM listeners?
What I want to say is that personally I would like to give this message that, we really need to bring hope and positivity in today's world. And I think personally I want to say that, I really believe that what makes life hard for women in India is safety. And this is something that I think we all are facing. We look at what is going on around us, and I think that what can be done to help women in the society is education, Nidhi, as you rightly said. So education is a very vital tool, and I think what needs to be brought about is that, respect through educating the boys, through educating the girls who are going to be future mothers, to teach the boys also how to respect women. And I think boys need to be taught, the basic respect, and the youth, the girls and the boys need to be taught their basic rights. And personally, I just want to say that, let's create a future where we can have decency, respect, tolerance, and really a brotherhood for everyone, and really work on solutions rather than problems. So let's be the change that we wish to see.
All right, thank you so much ma'am. It was lovely having you here. And seriously, अगर लाइफ में चेंजेस हम चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें खुद वो चेंज बनना पड़ेगा. एंड एज यू राइटली सेड कि एजुकेशन इज द की. सो एजुकेट योरसेल्फ एंड बी द चेंज. सुपर हिट्स 93.5 रेड एफएम बजाते रहो.